Welcome to my channel. Want to connect your Arlo camera to a smart hub or base station? Here's a quick and easy step-by-step guide. Step 1. Power on base station. Plug in your Arlo base station or smart hub and connect it to your router using an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Install Arlo app. Download and open the Arlo app on your smartphone, then log in or create an account. Step 3. Add new device. In the app, tap on Add Device and select your Arlo camera model. Step 4. Sync camera with hub. Press the sync button on the base station, then press the sync button on your camera to pair them. Step 5. Wait for connection. Wait a few seconds until the camera connects successfully and shows online in the app. Step 6. Place camera and test. Place your camera in the desired location and test live view to ensure everything is working properly. That's it, your Arlo camera is now connected. Subscribe for more quick tech guides. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.